let's jump into the clove hitch. Before we jump into it, let's talk about why the clove hitch. The clove hitch is an awesome hitch because it's highly adjustable. You can adjust the length of the rope and what that thing is tied to. The second thing about the clove hitch that makes it excellent is even when it is loaded, when it's been pulled on very hard, it's usually pretty easy to undo, as opposed to some other knots where once you load them, that knot can be very difficult to untie. So the clove hitch, there are a couple different ways to make the clove hitch, and I'm going to cover those, and ultimately you'll want to get skilled at doing them all of the various ways. Let's talk about first the air clove. So the air clove, I'm going to turn so that you're looking at what I'm looking at when I build it. The air clove, I grab the sharp end in my left hand and the standing end in my right hand, and I twist the standing end such that the sharp end is laying over it. Then I grab it again and I twist it again. Same exact motion. But this time I take the loop in my right hand and I sort of scissors it over the one in my left hand. That is a clove hitch. The next way to make a clove hitch is to build it on a carabiner. And the way to do that is to take the sharp end facing me, run it through the carabiner, and then bring the sharp end behind, give it a flip like that, and then put it through the carabiner. And lock that carabiner, of course. And another way to make the clove in the air, if you are having some trouble with this method, is to do this. Grab the rope. In this case, the left strand is the sharp end and the right is the standing end. I'm going to start by crossing those hands. Now the right strand is the sharp end. And I am going to rotate my right arm around my left hand and then bring them together like this. Clip that to the carabiner, and you've got a clove hitch. In a moment, we'll review all three of these methods, but those are the basics.